Stephen, and today I want to talk to you about anxiety tremors. Now this is something that bothered me when I was dealing with panic attacks, must be about 6-7 years ago now, and depersonalization. I thought I had some sort of neurological issue, okay, which ended up scaring me more, adding to the fear and just adding to this vicious cycle that I was stuck in, okay. I wanted to make this video because I see this pop up a lot in different forums and different Facebook pages. People asking, posting videos of maybe their hand or their arm twitching or their leg twitching, and it scares them and they're worried about it, okay? Before I move on, if you are dealing with any twitching or any shaking, go to the doctor first. I just need to say that to cover myself. Go to the doctor and just get it checked out. I'm 99.9% sure it'll come back, nothing wrong with you, okay? So the question is then, why am I twitching? Why am I shaking? Okay, first you got to understand the nervous system, okay? Its role is to keep you alive. That's all it cares about, okay? It's known as the autonomic system. It controls your breathing, your heart rate, your body temperature without you thinking, okay? It's just running your body, okay? Making sure that everything's working right. But what happens when you get cold, when your body temperature drops? Okay, you start to shake. Okay, why do you start to shake? Well, your nervous system overrides and starts causing these micro contractions in the muscles to create blood flow. That blood flow will heat up the body and bring the body temperature back up, okay? It has its own intelligence. You gotta let it do what it's gotta do. Now, when we're cold and we're shaking, we don't question it, we don't think twice, we know what's happening, okay? It's no different when you're stressed out. Because what's happening is, with your nervous system, let's say for an example, you're walking down the street. It's constantly scanning your environment, okay, to make sure that there's no threat. Now let's say a football comes towards you and the last second you catch it, the corner of your eye, what happens? Your arms will come up, your shoulders will shrug. Why do they shrug? To protect the neck, okay? It just senses a threat and it'll automatically kick in this reflex. These reflexes were built into us over thousands and thousands of years of evolution, trying to survive in the wild when things were a lot more dangerous, okay? But not only does the nervous system cause you to, when it's under threat, okay, make you lift your shoulders. If someone frightens you, we notice the shoulders jump, but also will cause your hips to curl up. And what it's doing is trying to put us into the fetal position, because a stressor back then meant threat, meant danger. And the best way for us to survive any danger would be to curl up in a ball. Bring the shoulders up and bring the knees to the chest, okay? Now, with modern lifestyle, we got all these different stresses, but they're different stresses, okay? We've got these financial stresses, relationship stresses, whatever else there is, okay? But your nervous system is hardwired, it's primitive, and it just feels the stress and thinks danger. So it causes contractions, and that's why when people are under a lot of stress, they get a lot of tightness in the neck, okay? Because the shoulders are trying to, just slowly over long periods of time, trying to shrug up and protect the neck. And then hips as well become another issue. So what's happening is your body is tense when we're dealing with, especially if we're dealing with anxiety and panic attacks, regular panic attacks or depersonalization. The body's thinking, okay, there's danger close by, and it's going to be causing this tension in the muscles. And what your nervous system's doing, it does the same thing as when you're cold. It'll try and shake off that tension. Because over time, that's fatiguing on the nervous system. The nervous system's getting tired. Okay, so what'll happen is the nervous system will override and try and shake out those muscles, and you start noticing different twitches. You might feel it on the face or even around the eye. It could be a full body shake, or you might get into certain positions and start tremoring. So in short, if you're dealing with anxiety tremors, what you do? Nothing. Okay, just let your body shake it out. Just sit back, smile, and just let it happen. Okay, it's completely normal. Don't be worrying about it. That's adding to the problem. Move on, okay? Guys, if you like this, please do subscribe. I'll keep them coming, and there's a lot more to come actually. I've some good stuff lined up for you, so I'm looking forward to it. So please do subscribe.